Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use glutathione serum. Glutathione is a potent antioxidant that our bodies naturally produce, playing a vital role in overall health. When applied topically as a serum, it delivers these protective benefits directly to your skin. Serums are designed to be lightweight and absorb deeply, making them highly effective for addressing specific skin concerns. This guide will help you integrate it seamlessly into your routine for optimal results. Glutathione serum offers several fantastic benefits for your skin. It works to brighten your overall skin tone, helping to achieve a more radiant and even complexion. This powerful ingredient also effectively targets and reduces the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and acne scars. Furthermore, it provides robust antioxidant protection against environmental stressors and supports your skin's natural elasticity, which can minimize the visibility of fine lines. Applying glutathione serum is a straightforward process. First, ensure your face is clean by washing it with a gentle cleanser, then pat it dry. Next, dispense about 2 to 3 drops of the serum onto your fingertips. Gently massage the serum onto your face and neck using upward motions until it is fully absorbed. Always follow this with your favorite moisturizer, and remember to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 during your morning routine for protection. To maximize the benefits of your glutathione serum, consistency is key. Aim to use it twice daily, both morning and evening. You'll typically start seeing noticeable improvements in your skin's brightness and texture over several weeks of regular use. Consider pairing it with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid products to further enhance its effects. Always remember to consult a healthcare professional if you have any known allergies or existing skin conditions before incorporating new products.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.